Santosh. So don't forget, so we are having for Satya Fest, we are having San Juan, and we are having World Goa Day. So if we are having San Juan, we have to have a cocktail, yeah. So yes, you all have to wear cocktails. And are we ready? Are they already started? Good. What happened for San Juan?
First of all,
yes.
I thank all of you, including press, who attended this press conference. And the second thing, I appreciate Mario Bob and Karzantan now Jinvastani. Thank you, Munta. Mario's Dakam Sagla Opata going to Festaka. All over the world, not only now India, America down, Australia, Sagla, going to Festaka, Sagla Tolka, Kono Tolka, Pushit Amti Madam Dr. Lean. She is also part of the same. So I appreciate both of you, both of them. And then आमचो प्रकाश कामत बाब तो आमचो घुमट बा सगळ्याक कितें पळय आसलें आमचे पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी पळय आहा न्ही तो पयलो ही इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू डू दिस ऑल दिस प्रोग्राम सो आय थँक मिस्टर प्रकाश बाब ऑल्सो बाब मारियोस गोविंद फेस्ताकर एंड डॉक्टर लीन थँक यू मॅम थँक यू press and everybody.
So he's not here just to talk. There's a reason he's come. So come as good.
No, since आम्ही सगळे हांगा आहा न्ही आणि आमचो 24 सांजे आमचो सांजे 22nd but actual सांजे is on 24. So just to start the सांजे एक आम डॉक्टर बस म्हणल्यार तुम्ही सगळे जाणा आसलेले एक कांतार बेस्ट सद्दा सांजे ते जाताच एवरी सांजे आमचे लोक सगळे म्हणटा एक ते कांतार जावन आले सेल वायसाचे एकूच वेळ आमी सगळे म्हणया Sanjio Gunda Mori Panam Kanisona Chole Piere Tui Logere Pariakai Neona Usli Festa Once Jana Dur Partiera Sanjio Gunda Mori Panam Kanisona Chole Piere Tui Logere Pariakai Neona Usli Festa Once Jana Dur Partiera Viva Sanjio!
Thank you, Andrew.
Now you can ask any questions. Okay. There is that
क्वेश्चन एक सजेशन आसा काल मडगांव गेलो ज्ञान मंदिराचे प्रोग्राम एक आशिल्ले रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिर
Yeah.
So there they organize on the basis of theme gathering. They invite any person who is very much relevant to Goa's history and culture. Yesterday they had invited Advocate Uday Bendro. So on that grounds, why don't you invite a person who is culturally significant for Goa and keep him as a chief guest in such kind of festivals?
Okay. So our festivals are not new. Year 2000 we had begun these festivals, and I was part of the summit as Bandera. Okay, so the Bandera was supposed to start at 3. It didn't start till 6 because they were waiting for the chief guest. He never turned up. So next day I came up with this idea: no more chief guests. Everybody that turns up is a chief guest. Everybody who comes can be crowd fun. But there are people who are going to be at on the 22nd. Lots of people are coming with great knowledge of Goan art, theatre, music. So we are a festival where we don't force anybody to come. Whoever thinks they are Goan, who are interested, can come. So this is our festival, which is on social media, on the news, and on the press. So we have got no time looking and going and calling people and waiting for them. Whoever turns up is the chief guest on the day. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, what do you like to say about Jeffy Coffee? Jeffy Coffee. Jeffy Coffee.
Jeffy Coffee is made by a person called Shivanna from Chikmagalur. Interesting, Chikmagalur is actually the heart of the coffee growing area, but she makes Jeffy. It's available in the market. We have promoted it in Goa also, but we did not catch too well here in Goa. But in Karnataka it's available. It's available also in Canada. If you need it, we can bring it to Goa. But it's being manufactured in Chikmagalur, which is not far from Mangalore and close by. You can get it. We have promoted it amongst different people and everybody has liked it. But buying it from the retail shop has not really possible. So we need to promote it.
Yeah, so we are hoping if we can get the package that on the 22nd there'll be Jeffy on set. Yeah.
Last few years you are doing this test. Last few years you are doing this.
From 2000 we started, 25 years now, and 84 festival. 84.
So how many farmers are participated now?
So you see, as I said, as Miguel Babu will tell you, we were involved in doing the Millet Fest recently. Yeah. And all these festivals, people come, you know, it's not in one place. Today is Panjim, sometimes we were in Sukur, we've been in Old Goa, we've been in Naveli, we've been in Pilan. So people turn up for knowledge. It's a festival of knowledge and sharing of ideas. And with people like Miguel being there, you know, people come, meet, so many farmers come. We've just finished for the year, for the rains, but in Pilan every week there was a market. And we've had loads of people, loads of farmers coming every week. So here now we're going to have about 25 stalls of farmers. You will see when you'll come on the 22nd, 25 different stalls and all our farmers and vendors. And I'm hoping if things work out and people turn up, then we could have a monthly market here every month. Yeah, that we will see the response. So we're waiting for the response on the 22nd.
So, large number of farmers have taken part in the Nashtaje Fest in Mafsa, in the Millet Festival in Naveli, and in the Patoje Fest at Kolli. Specifically, farmers in large numbers. The Mudasache Fest at the Agriculture College also drew a lot of farmers. But otherwise, we don't basically differentiate between farmer and any other person. But anyone and everyone in Goa grows something. Especially in the monsoon, people will grow some vegetables. They'll plant some fruit plant. Every year, some activity will be done. So, in Goa, by default, everybody is a farmer.
So ते फणस ते काय जावन पडटा पळय ताका कितें सोल्युशन आनी ते कित्याक लागून जाता?
ते एक soft lot of jackfruit, right? It is fungus. ताका 2-3 ट्रीटमेंट आहे. एक 22 दिनाचो स्प्रे घेता आनी कार्बेंडाझिम, which kills fungus which is of any color. ते एक स्प्रे करता. स्पर्श म्हणून एक जंतूचे म्हणटा ऑर्गॅनिक. स्पर्श एक बॅक्टेरिया जे हेका मारता, फंगसाक मारता. ते यूज करायचं. नाहीतर आधी आम्ही मोचुकान चुनो तो स्प्रे करता, बोर्डो मिक्सचर. तोय स्प्रे केल्यार कंट्रोल जाता. मोचुकान चुनो मारता जाल्यार आमचे डिसेंबर, जानेवारी, फेब्रुवारी ह्या महिन्यात माझ्या बरो जेन्ना दव पडटा, नाजाल्यार पावस पडच्या आधी मे म्हयन्यात कंप्लीट कंट्रोल दिता. आमगे घरा कडेन आसा दारान त्या पणसाचे सगळे पणस भोंवताले. एक स्प्रे मारून ते बोर्डो मिक्सचराचो 10 वर्सां कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना. मागीर परत एकदां मारतलो. ते फंगस एक कंट्रोल करता. कांय जाण पडटा ते काडून पुरोवपाक जाय, खड मारून नाजाल्यार उलपावपाक जाय. तेजेर तो फंगस आसता तो वाऱ्यान स्प्रेड जाता. थोडे ल्हान आसतना मेल फूल आसता, मेल आनी फिमेल आसता. मेल आसता ते कांय जाण पडटले ते काडून उडोवपाचें, नाजाल्यार केन्नाय तो फंगस बऱ्या पडसाचेर जाता.
Sir, why do you think of including World Goa Day on
Okay, so year 2000, the World Goa Day in Goa, the Summit Years Bandera. We are doing this, celebrating it. Abroad, I don't know, you know, social media is probably going to, but we started it. So every year we do it. So I've started to Jarma festivals. Yeah, so that's one thing. Sanjwa with Miguel Ba, we have done Sanjwa Ba. Sanjwas are different. We don't jump in the wells. We don't break bottles and all that. Don't drink. We are talking about water harvesting, conservation of water, and all that type of discussion will be held. So ours is an alternative type of festival.
So ते नीरफणसाचे नीरफणस
नीरफणस
त्याचेर कितें सांगता दिसता तुमकां?
नीरफणस दोन भाशेचे ते फूल येता. एक लांब आसा ते मेल, ते झडटलेच, आनी गोल येता तो फिमेल. तेकाय केन्ना तसोच सॉफ्ट जाता. दुसरो फंगस तशेंच कंट्रोल करपाक तेच बाविस्टीन नाजाल्यार स्पर्श नाजाल्यार वोडोम तीन पैकी एक स्प्रे मारयता. बाविस्टीन माझ्या फायदो कितें आसा की बाविस्टीन ट्रान्सफर केला आंगान वता निरपणसाच्या वडसाच्या आनी आख्खे झाडाक त्यो एंटी फंगस इफेक्ट आमी जशें एंटीबायोटीक घेतात तशें ते जाता आंगान वता. चड करून निरपण आसा पणस आसा खूब झाडां जाता न्हू वयर वचून स्प्रे करपाक स्प्रे करपाक कठीण करता. चडशा लोकां लागीं तो गटर पंप तशें पंप आसना जे कुलागारान आनी तांकां आमी सांगता तुमी बाविस्टीन वापरून ते बाविस्टीन आपोआप जेवण खाण झाडाचें आसा तेजे वापरता ते वयर वता.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all for this, coming for this press. Thank you. चहा घ्या.
जाग्या कन्फर्ट आसता.
थोडाच काय.
Let them take photos first.
Rich
That's subject.